All right, y'all. I'm finna go over how I finally passed this funded account, right? So as y'all know, I've been on this funded account for a very, very long time now. It should not have taken me this long to pass it, but it did, and that's fine because I still passed it at the end of the day. So, and on my stats, you're gonna see a good amount of trades taken, like 11 or 12 trades or something like that. And it's mostly because I was kind of scalping on Nas. Gold really wasn't the best during the morning time. So I didn't get nothing during Asia. So I came in the morning and I know Nas is very good for the morning. And I was watching Nas. I went to the 1 hour time frame. And I'm looking at it. Only thing I could see, I just see a bunch of wicks up here and then a bunch of gaps that I kept holding down here. So I'm expecting market open. This gap is gonna hold and then we're gonna shoot up. Right? That's what I want to see at market open. So fast forward. We ended up getting a 3 step model for a sell, but I know my strategy ins and out. Trading it right before market open is a no go. What happened? Price shot up. What do we see here? Inverse. What is this? 3 step model. I took it, kept stops pretty close, and was targeting this high. And I used ES as well. Now, I do know basic ICT concepts, so I definitely used ES for SMTs. And I was in the trade. It shot up. ES took the high. It started wicking back down. I closed. Had a little bit of profits. Cool. I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame. I like the SMT that we had. It was very nice. And I also noticed that we inversed here on a 1 minute. But it wasn't a clear inverse. It was like right there on it. So I decided to wait. What happened? We shot up, failed to take this high, and then came back down below that inverse completely, and it's very clear. I took that sell. I scaled in a few times. I was targeting the sell side down here. I wanted to see all of this here get taken out. And what happened? Price dumped. That was another banger trade. Now up like 700, honestly. I'm like, okay, cool. One more good trade, and we put past this account. What do I see here? I see this sweep, so I'm just going to watch. I'm still watching. What do we notice here? These session lows got real close to being hit, but never got hit. What do we form here? SMT. We formed SMT now after sweeping sell side liquidity, created a manipulation leg, and then we left this 1 minute fair value gap. What happens after that? It got inversed. What did I do? I entered. And my target was right around here. I wanted to see that get hit for us to pass the account. And what happened? We went right to it. So I caught a long, a short, and a long. And I was scaling in with all those trades. And honestly, it was all perfect. Like, the NASDAQ was moving very beautiful today. We can go over the metals, too, just to see what they did. And this morning, I did not like silver. Let me go to the 5 minute. Silver was very choppy this morning. Like, silver was not trending how it usually does. I saw a sweep, and I'm pretty sure it dumped after this. Yeah, it dumped. I'm still watching it. Nothing. Hit the channel. No fair value gaps to be found. We're just sitting there going sideways. There was absolutely nothing. Oh, my fault. I'm to the wrong one. Here we go. This is it. Here we go. Silver still chopping. I'm watching it. What do we see here? Inverse. Now, I looked and I saw this potential short on silver. I saw this potential short to come down to these lows down here. Why did I not take it? We were chopping. We was getting the setup left and right. And it was failing and winning left and right. So it just wasn't worth me taking. Even though it still won, I'm still glad I faded it. NASDAQ was more of the play here. And currently on the funded account, I did take a trade here. And I'm so glad I break even when I did. I was currently in a trade. And this wasn't a quality trade, which is why I'm not too mad at this being break even. Like, I'm not mad at all for the first trade on my funded. I took this buy here. Why did I take this buy? I took this buy because based on the 1 hour time frame, we were holding this right here. Overall, if you throw a Fibonacci or if you just look at it from a general perspective, you're just in a massive slow retracement after a big move up. What am I expecting? I'm expecting this slow move down to just get rallied through again. What do we see here? A massive 1 hour engulfing candle. So I'm like, okay, cool. We should probably continue higher. We're going to open up, come lower, and continue higher. So what happened? We opened up. we came low, and then we started to continue higher after 9 p.m. open. What am I targeting? I'm targeting these highs up here, all of that up here. I'm targeting. We're in that fib zone. We're in this higher time frame fair value gap. We pulled back here on a lower time frame as well, holding this 5 and 15 minute fair value gap. So I'm saying to myself, this should be a clean buy. Only thing I did not like is we got the inverse, but we didn't close above the channel. And then the very next candle shot up, rejected, and then we struggled to close above the channel for a little while. This trend line was holding, so I took the buy. I got a kind of a bad feel, and I was targeting all these highs up here, and I had my break even at this high right here. Look at what happened. I got break even, and price immediately came back down. And I ended up losing the not gonna say losing. I ended up getting break even. I'm only up $13. I was up like 300. I could have closed, but it is what it is. This probably might dump now too. But I already locked out till the morning. I might come in the morning and see if we got any good opportunities. But overall tonight, metals was just not the move tonight. Like gold was just very ugly for a good minute, and it's late inside my session. I don't really care to look for anything. As you can see this morning, gold was very ugly as well. Gold gave a sell setup. I marked it up. It won, but barely. I went for a smooth 1-2. I mean, nothing too crazy. It was pretty ugly. Metals are very ugly right now, so which is why I chose to trade the Nasdaq this morning. It was just more clean on market open. We just sweeping liquidity, forming SMTs. Even though it looks choppy, it was very readable. Like it was very easy to understand what it was doing and where it was going. So that's all I got for this video, man. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And let's get this payout, man. Let's get this payout.